Remember, all I'm offering is the truth, nothing more.
Hello guys, welcome to Mr. Legend Crypto. Guys, in this video we'll be taking a look at dYdX, currently trading around the $2.38 level. It's been having a great week, up 29.6%. It's been having a great month, up 23.7%. It's been also having a very great year. It's up 52.8% in the last 1 year. Right now the altcoin market is showing us renewed optimism. We're seeing signs of altcoin season. How high do we expect dYdX to go in the coming days and the coming weeks? How high are we going to see it trade if we get our long-awaited alt season? And more importantly, where are key levels we might get rejected as we attempt our moon mission? We're taking a look at the dYdX US dollar price chart on a weekly time frame. We'll take a look at dYdX performance against Bitcoin, and we'll finally look at dYdX market cap, which currently sits around $435 billion. As great as return back to the cryptocurrency market, can the market cap rally above the $1 billion level? We'll be talking about that and more in this video. But first, guys, an investment in knowledge pays the best interest. When it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. Do the necessary research and analysis before making any investment decision. Let's get down to business. Bitcoin, the king of the market, trades above $35,000. Bitcoin, the king of the market, has rallied to new highs. We've seen Ethereum, the king of altcoins, also join to new yearly highs. And guys, guess what? The altcoin market is answering. The altcoin market is also having double-digit gains across the board. A lot of altcoins in the market over the last 1 week have seen double-digit gains on a daily and on a weekly, and most of them are seeing double-digit gains on a yearly time frame. So how high do we expect dYdX to go in the coming days and the coming weeks? Currently trading around the $2.37 level with a market cap of $435 million, 24-hour trading volume at the point of recording this video of around $146 million. dYdX has a circulating supply of 183 million tokens. Out of total supply of 1 billion tokens, it has a fully diluted market cap of $2.3 billion. The all-time high was on 30th of September 2021. It was trading for $27.78. It's down 91% from that all-time high, and the all-time low happened on the 8th of September 2021. We don't have any data for that all-time low. So why are so many investors running to dYdX? Why are they accumulating this token, expecting higher prices in the coming days and coming weeks? Guys, because dYdX is the governance token for the layer 2 protocol of the eponymous non-custodial decentralized cryptocurrency exchange. It serves to facilitate the operation of layer 2 and allow traders, liquidity providers, and partners to contribute to the definition of the protocol's future as a community. Crazy to see, guys. Altcoin market is having huge pumps. If you want to accumulate more dYdX in the coming days and the coming weeks, you can get some on Binance, on KuCoin, on Kraken, on Bitstamp, on Uniswap, and anywhere you get to popular altcoins. Let's take a look at the dYdX US dollar price chart. We've seen dYdX trade at the height of the bull market around $27. Also, we've seen it trade down around $1 down in Goblin Town. The altcoin markets have huge swings in prices. We can easily see altcoins having thousands of percentages pumped to the moon. We can also see them dumping to Goblin Town. The dYdX had its markdown phase where it was dumping, and in 259 days, it lost 96% of its value. And ever since June of 2022, we have been stuck below the $3 level. We have been ranging. But guys, good news is that we are lucky. We're about to break that range. Good news is that renewed optimism return back to the altcoin market. We can easily see dYdX rallying up to as high as $10 before the end of the year. From where we're currently trading right now, dYdX will need to go up around 300% for us to get there. So very important, pay attention to that $3.15 level. When we break above that level, guys, that's when all hell break loose. That's when market participants will get hyper bullish. That's when you see a lot of people flipping their Bitcoins, flipping their Ethereum back into dYdX, and that's when we'll start pumping into the moon. We've seen great return back to the cryptocurrency market. Last week, we saw neutral sentiment in the market. Last month, there was still fear in the market. But Bitcoin pumping has changed everybody's mind, and right now we're expecting higher prices. We're expecting this altcoin pump to continue in the nearest future. The altcoin season index tells us right now we're in Bitcoin season, which means over the last 90 days, Bitcoin has been performing better than altcoins. We expect to see altcoins performing better than Bitcoin over the next 90 days. Right now, we're in Bitcoin season, and Bitcoin season is when you want to buy altcoins. Bitcoin season is when you want to accumulate altcoins, so that when we get to Altseason, when you see altcoins finally outperforming Bitcoin, you'll be selling for some sweet profit. Remember, guys, you want to sell extreme fear, you want to sell extreme greed, you want to sell extreme fear, you want to sell extreme pessimism, and you want to, sorry guys, you want to buy extreme fear, you want to buy extreme pessimism, and you want to sell extreme greed, you want to sell extreme optimism. You're here to make some money, you are here to make some sweet profit, and we'll see dYdX pumping to higher pricing in the coming days and coming weeks. Pay attention to these key levels: the $3 level, the $9.5 region, and finally the previous all-time high receipts at the $26 level. dYdX, for it to rally back to the all-time highs, we need to go up by around 1,000%. And we know how crazy altcoins can be. They can easily rally that fast in the space of 30 days. So I'll not be shocked to see dYdX rallying towards $30 before the end of the year. If you take a look at dYdX performance against Bitcoin, since when it was launched, after topping in November, it has had a crazy dump, losing 93% of its value. Over the next few days, over the next few weeks, I will expect to see dYdX outperforming Bitcoin, pumping to higher values. I'm not sure about setting new all-time highs against Bitcoin, but if we see that altcoin season, you expect to see capital flow from Bitcoin to the altcoin market. Thereby, dYdX will outperform Bitcoin in the coming days and the coming weeks. If we take a look at dYdX market cap, which sits above $400 million, the all-time high sits around the $1.4 billion level. We can rally to that $1.5 billion region. It's very possible. dYdX will just need to rally up by 252%. But guys, the problem is, if we rally 252%, it's not going to be taking us all-time highs on the price chart. A 256% pump will carry dYdX around that $8 to $9 region. And that's why you want to pay attention to that $8 to $9 region. We can easily blast above it, but we can easily get stopped out by that critical level. Greed has returned to the market. All coins are showing signs of optimism. dYdX is getting ready for that big pump to the upside. Guys, drop your thoughts in the comment section. How high do you see dYdX going in the coming days and the coming weeks? Do you see us rallying to new highs before the end of the year? Is your moon bag ready for that big alt season? Thanks for watching this video. If you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notifications to get notified anytime I drop a new video and anytime I go live. Remember guys, invest for the long haul. Don't get too scared. Don't get too greedy. See you guys in my next video.
Remember, all I'm offering is the truth, nothing more.